Everyone knows that American Red Cross is always there when disaster strikes, be it a natural disaster or a home fire. But our Sound the Alarm campaign gives us a chance to be proactive. We go out in the communities, we install free smoke alarms, and through this service, we're able to save lives and prevent tragedy before it happens. Our job is to make sure that every member of the family, from the smallest children to the most senior of the family, is able to know where to exit and to have multiple egresses so they're able to get out quickly. Alabama is extremely high risk for home fires. Over the last quarter, we had over 300 home fires right here in mid-Alabama, and nationwide, 7 people perish from home fires every single day because you only have 2 minutes to get out of your home.
We're collaborating with local government officials, fire departments, and our very own community agents to go out to ring that alarm, to educate and really create those fire escape plans and let everyone know how to save a life.
The Sound the Alarm is incredibly impactful to me. I have been in a home fire that was caused by a cooking accident. My home was not destroyed, but it was a big process recovering from it. And so I consider it my mission to make sure that no one has to go through that level of pain. Whether or not it's responding to a disaster or installing smoke alarms, whatever your passion is, we can find a place for you in the American Red Cross.